Due to Lucci's attack, Santomaru is down and will not get up for a while. It seems that the government also fears Dr. Vegapunk of his brilliance, as he is the one responsible for developing the Pacifistas and the Seraphim clones. The best option is to join the Straw Hat crew and escape the island. Bonnie and Luffy arrive with the injured Atlas. Bonnie goes on berserk mode to find Dr. Vegapunk so she can revert her father back to sanity, and she's also upset because she was attacked by the bugs earlier. Meanwhile, Kuma arrives at the red port. In an unstable condition, he crashes. The alarm is set, alerting people to stay away from him. This creates panic for the citizens. Here, Lucci and friends have gained control over the clones and are preparing to destroy all ships within the island, so Vegapunk won't escape. Again, Lucci is controlled by his ego and won't admit Luffy is a Yonko.
Back in the Galley Law building, this is the form I was in when I defeated you with a single blow.
But I was real hungry that day.
海軍の言うことを聞く気はないのね、ルッチ。どうしても行くつもり？
麦わらを四皇と認めていない。フロンティアドームは厄介だな。ありゃ強力じゃぞ。
Unfortunately, the defense system is down. It is unclear who sabotaged it. Now Lucci and friends are going after Dr. Vegapunk. Outside of the island, there are marine fleets that are ready to attack.
麦わらの一味がベガパンクの味方をじゃあ脱出は容易だね。だがおそらく想像通りの結果にはならねえよ。予定通り進めな。可能な限りの軍艦をエッグヘッドへ。
This means an all-out war between Straw Hat pirates and the Marines. Stay tuned for the next episode as it will be more exciting. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, see you later.